Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to change the customer required information on your checkout page on your Shopify store. So how do you do that? You want to go into your settings on the lower left hand side and you want to go to checkout. Now, once you click on checkout on the left hand side here, you'll be able to manage the customer information, right? So you can see, for example, right here that you can set a customer contact method. That could be mobile or email address. You can change that here, or you can just set it to email only. If you scroll down, you'll have the customer information where it is currently set to required last name. You can set it to required first and last name, right? You can also change company. So if you want to add that, you can see, for example, it says don't include company, it's recommended. You can choose optional or required. It's really up to you. In terms of the address, you can choose if you want them to add address line 2, or you can just leave it as optional, which is the best case anyway. And there's an option for the shipping address phone number. This it says don't include, but you can have it, for example, as optional. It's really up to you if you want to add these things or not, right? Now, here is also a section where it says the marketing option. If you want to use, for example, email or SMS, you can simply turn on these. It's really up to you if you want to set this up as well. Then tipping, you can choose if you want to include tipping. So it's a show tipping option as at checkout. You can turn that on so that people can tip you for whatever reason of our product or service. They can basically give you tip if you so desire as well. Now, once you're ready, guys, once you're satisfied with all of these information, just simply go ahead and click on save, and that's gonna save all of these changes on your checkout page on your Shopify store. And that's it.